Worried that your generator is too noisy for residential areas, nighttime construction, or places with high noise requirements, you should choose a professional silent generator set. Our silent canopy generators are tested according to industry standards. At a distance of 7 meters, the noise level is usually around 65 to 75 decibels. The canopy is also equipped with sound-absorbing materials, so the overall noise level is well controlled and compliant with standards. For normal indoor communication, this noise level is generally acceptable and will not be too disturbing. It is suitable for residential emergency backup power, hospitals, factories with nighttime production, commercial centers, and other noise-sensitive applications. So don't choose a generator blindly. For places with strict noise requirements, a silent generator is the better choice. Not sure what power capacity or model to choose? Leave a comment and tell us your application scenario.